1969 Chevrolet Nova here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Graphite gray metallic black vinyl top and big block power, 396 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Power brakes. Look at that chrome in this front bumper, nice shape. Some SS badging. Of course, not representing this as an SS, but SS badging on it. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing 5-spoke wheels. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. We're going to start it up here at the end of the video. Let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. There's a few blemishes, maybe a touch up here or there in the paint, but overall, nice looking car. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's look down this passenger side and see the panels are nice and straight. Not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Black vinyl interior. Bench seat up front. And that is a removable armrest or center console, so you can have it in or out. Thought I'd set it in there. It will go along with the car. Some aftermarket gauges and tachometer. That vinyl roof in nice shape. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a good look at the chrome in the rear bumper. As you can see, dual exhaust. That is complete from the front to the rear. It does have headers on it. And we'll peek at those in just a little bit. A few miscellaneous things that will go along with this car. I'll put the box back in the trunk. You'll see those in the still pictures. And then there's also a couple, looks like driver's side carpet flooring that will go with it also. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these late 60s, early 70s Novas or Chevy muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see nice reflection up and down that driver's side. Nice shine to that paint. Let's take a little closer look at this interior, and we're going to fire up that 396. We want to listen to that. Take a look underneath the hood. All right, door panels. Nice shape. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes in the vinyl. You'll be able to see the front seats and the rear seats in the still pictures. Carpeting looks good. That aftermarket tack. And of course the aftermarket gauges down below. I did notice it needs a latch for the glove box, just so you know. Let's go ahead and fire this up. That big block cranks right over. Looks like tachometer was working. Gauges, oil pressure, voltmeter, water temp. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be on. Kind of retro sound style radio.
Less terms, subject to change.
Radio working. Let that big block warm up a little bit. Let's listen. Sounds like we got a mild cam. That's definitely got a little rumble. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. We're going to check out this engine bay, and then stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take this car for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, nice and tidy, just like the exterior of the car. There it is, that 396 big block headers, HEI ignition. Looks like a newer master cylinder and brake booster back there. Some good looking chrome valve covers. Air cleaner cover. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage in between dries. The battery was installed in 21. Brakes are 100% in the front, 70% in the rear. It's one of those cars, get in, turn the key, and go. Have some fun. 1969 Chevrolet Nova. Big block power. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1969 Chevrolet Nova. Nice running, strong running Nova. Looking good in the dark black metallic. That's what I would call it. We have an aftermarket tachometer that's working as it should, mounted to the column. This is an automatic on the column. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Good throttle response and power. You feel the torque from this car, as you should. For a Nova like this, you want to have the power to go with the looks. Now the glove box door is down. It does need a latch. The pillar moldings right here and here on the windshield are missing. There's not a whole other things that don't look great on this car. Bench seat looks good. Carpet headliner also pretty good. Our speedometer's working as it should. The fuel gauge is showing a quarter of a tank. The blower motor works. The wipers work. We have a retro sound style radio. Under the dash is some more gauges. The oil pressure between 50 and 60 psi. The volts over 14. Now the water temperature gauge does not move. That one may not be hooked up. Brakes are working. That steers as you would expect for a 69 Nova. And there's the fun part. She's got lots of power. Broke them loose a little bit there without even trying. Very fun car to drive. 1969 Chevrolet Nova. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.